Today we will go through the rules at roundabouts and how to navigate through them like a pro. We'll go through left turns, right turns, going straight ahead, general rules, and more. All right, let's begin. A roundabout consists of a central island and one or more lanes of traffic that travel in the same direction. When using a roundabout, you will need to enter depending on where you want to exit. So therefore, it's important that you know what you want to do before entering the roundabout. Now, in general, you have 4 different exits in nearly every roundabout: exiting to the right, to the left, straight ahead, or back the way you came. Before we go through each of these options in detail, let's go through some general rules at roundabouts. Don't change lanes or stop while in a roundabout, and make sure you signal before exiting. When leaving the roundabout, check mirrors and check blind spots to make sure you can safely exit. If unsafe to exit, drive around the roundabout an additional time. Always keep right of the central island. When entering a roundabout, slow down and yield to pedestrians and bicycles and all vehicles already in the roundabout. Enter only when there is a safe gap. If arrows are marked on the pavement before or in the roundabout, you must follow the direction of the arrows. Multi-lane roundabouts have the same traffic rules as single-lane roundabouts. Okay, now let's go through how to turn right at a roundabout. First, you need to approach the roundabout in the right lane. Make sure to start signaling right at the same time. Stay in the right lane throughout the entire roundabout and keep signaling until you have exited the roundabout. That was pretty easy, right? Now, let's go through how to go straight ahead. Now, when going straight ahead in a roundabout, you can approach using either lane. However, do not signal on approach. After entering, it's important that you stay in the same lane throughout the entire roundabout. So if you enter using the left lane, you stay in the left lane. If you do it in the right, you stay in the right. Then, as you pass the exit, before you exit, you start signaling to the right to indicate your intentions to exit. And lastly, let's go through the rules of turning left or making a U-turn at a roundabout. Both of these are done the same way. You start by approaching the roundabout in the left lane and simultaneously start signaling left. Keep in the left lane throughout the entire roundabout, then start signaling right as you pass the exit before you exit. Check for traffic to determine if it's safe to exit and follow the left lane to exit the roundabout.